Hello and welcome back. Today I want to show you how I made this amazing and delicious hatch green chili dip. It is so good with any kind of chip. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to dice up some Roma tomato. This is just one. And this is 1/4 cup of diced onion. And as always, I will have all the ingredients down on the description box. And I'm dicing up some hatch green chili. For this recipe, you can use as little or as much as you want. I am using this much, and actually this was perfect. Also, going to need 2 cups of shredded Monterrey Jack cheese. So let's get started here. I'm going to drop in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to my pot. And once it is melted like that, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And I also tossed in my diced onion. I'm going to mix this for about 1 minute. Pretty much when you smell the aroma, then you can start adding in your diced tomato. And gonna saute that for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'm going to add in the hatch green chili. I'm just going to mix this all together. Once it's all mixed in, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And mix this all together. Once it's all mixed together, I will be adding in 1 can of evaporated milk and salt and pepper. Salt and pepper, just add to your liking. Once again, mixing this, and once all that's mixed in, I will be adding in the cheese. Once I add in the cheese, I'm pretty much just going to be stirring it until the cheese melts. One thing I forgot to mention, you need to have your heat at a medium-low. So once you lift up the whisk like that and the cheese looks like that, it is not melted yet. So keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Right there, it's still not melted. And once it's melted and you feel that it's still too watery, you can add more cheese, which in this occasion, I went ahead and added a little bit more. And once I melted all that cheese, this hatch green chili is done. You can add some cumin to this. I do not add it, but if you want that extra flavor, go ahead and add it. So your cheese dip should look just like this. And just remember that once it cools, it will thicken. So you want to leave it just like that. Serve it with any kind of chip that you like. And let me tell you, this hatch green chili dip is the best. So delicious. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you make this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll be seeing you in my next video. You all have a nice day. Bye. And we cannot forget our taste test, right? Yummy, so delicious. Perfect.